We're really focusing on 4 things to keep bridge tolls down this year. 2 are focused on operations, trying to get their budget down, because every dollar that we don't have to pay to operate the bridge is a dollar we don't have to pay in tolls. Part of that is focused on the budget. We're doing, in essence, a zero-based budget, looking through every dollar that they're proposing to spend over the course of the next 2 years and ensuring that they can justify it. The second thing we're doing is actually a bill that's going to be heard on February 11th. And it's a bill that sets some guardrails with regard to how DOT can spend money in operating the bridge. And we're prohibiting them from spending money on things that aren't directly related to the success of the bridge project. The second main area, so the first area is operations, the second main area is around capital construction. Over the next few months and beyond, there are some capital improvements that are going to be made on the bridge that were always part of the plan, some median improvements and things of that nature. But what we don't want to see is, in essence, a blank check to the Department of Transportation to continue to do capital improvements on the bridge, on the toll payers' dime. So I've got a bill that would require, for any future capital projects, it would require legislative approval, so they don't get a blank check. And then finally is around toll violations. As folks know, we've got the Good to Go program, and folks are using that well beyond the expectations that DOT had. You do have some folks who go through the Good to Go lanes and don't have the Good to Go pass, and when they do that, they're sent a ticket. Sometimes they challenge that ticket in court, and the frustrating thing that we've seen is there are times where the courts will reduce the ticket and we don't even get the value back of the toll that they failed to pay going into the bridge account. And again, every dollar that we don't get coming into the bridge account is one more dollar that you and I have to pay in tolls. So we've got a bill, again, that will be heard on February 11th that would say if there's going to be any reduction in the penalty, it'll come out of what goes to the courts, not what goes into the tolling account. These are just four common sense things that we're doing, trying to ensure that we're protecting toll payers and making sure that we get our fair share of the broader transportation pie.